Okay, yeah, so I'm here with the ladies over here that produce palm kernel oil, and this is the stuff that, or the donation that they are holding, yeah? Arkodo. Wow. Yeah. It's a day, no, you come to one. The mess at any game channel, and today now, Kaka mi abramuni ewa mo fendi bro na mfa mo ben
mo aye ipune yakopon wo hunde ajo na hu
enti pocho me son pa ade yama no boye den okay e pobo na ndo fofo ya bibia fofo onya bibia ya wo use da better no boye den enti say ya de bro na se mo use a actually is can cause me can bo chama the pair ko no anti me stramo Hello brothers, sisters, how y'all doing? This is your boy Cookie with Sindaco and I'm back again. So today's video is about some donation we did for our mother's Intercrady. So here's Kojo Chrome Intercrady, and over here they process palm kernel oil, one of the best local oil in Ghana and even across the globe. Palm kernel oil is edible and also used for medicinal purpose. So I was here last year to see the process of how this oil is made, and there were certain things I saw at the site which I didn't like or I wasn't happy about. So basically these women were lacking basic working gears, also known as PPEs, such as goggles, nose masks and safety shoes, etc. So after seeing and feeling the situation, I made a promise to come back and visit them again. Hey, are you risky? Next time I'm when the papa now find inside was the no to know when you are occasion you ma and I'm anti-mushroom. No, are you risky? And I hit it some papa. So I made a post about this and I had some of the fans who also donated to this cause. So everything you see over here was bought in UK and sent to Ghana. I'm so happy to be doing something like this and putting a smile on people's face. God bless me more to do more and everyone who also donated. Now let's go to Kojo Chrome Intercrady. But before we go, kindly subscribe, share, tell a friend, tell a brother, like, comment, Arokodo. Thank you. So wahala in my house. I go pay you tomorrow. Yeah, so I'm here at Kojo Chrome Intercrady, and last year I came here to do the palm kernel oil, okay, and there was this defect that I saw, like they were lacking some PPEs, okay, so I promised them that I'll bring them something. So over here to deliver the stuff that I bought. So over here I have everything here, the PPEs, what they can use to protect themselves whilst working, okay, and also I would love them to use some of the palm kernel oil to cook, for you guys to know that palm kernel oil is edible. You can see it. Into portion there, that I'm there, no. No shampoo boy. Me catch him there. Me the more shampoo boy bro. Okay. It's a day. You know the champagne no. A feno nose mask. It's buje smoke ni ho. Na mo ahye. This is Google. Okay. It's no mo ko inside no mo body na. Oyan there that show tea. They need to put today ya. Na ende. It's no uncle room. Anyway, na dey me aswano. Smoke na dey inside the muntu man. Onye. It's a nyado oswenwa the whole day on to come. But there ya ya dey. Na me one see that come man. Ya na atanso. Adashi. Na in terms of fun say bi sabotu ni eduma mu da ma ye ma she. Emi ta fun tara mutu ma ye. It's ofano earplugs. Earplugs. They didn't know inside home. They naturally no one. Nay, you know, or a pay. Instead of the PBS, you could behind the watch room. The question was some day. No, not the Kusa Shadi. The Kusa Shadi. Oma, they didn't know. Machine, you know. Dad or sister. And you go to Swadi. Different size so home. The small or rubber one and so other day this type now this type. That testing. And friending no quite personal in Pobocon, but on your gonna be. Until no next time, no one uncle. Check I see one, but one of them will share. or that was share. Mama will be able to control. Over the man shall be obeying the apple. You're a couple of yeah, gloves.
Why did they do that? I'm going to have a wedding for you know, cook on them. No,
that's it. That's the coffee debate. That way,
give me contact, I go pay you tomorrow. Seller, give me half. She said, give me contact, I go pay you tomorrow. Seller, give me half.
Kaka, me a bramuni. Ewa, mo fendi bro na mo fa mo ben.
Mo aye ipune na ko wo wu de. Ajo na wo na wan jo ne ye ho no. Wan kasa ye ho.
Enti mpocho me son pa ade nyama no boye den. Okay. E pa bona ndo afofo. Ye bibia afofo. Onya bibia ya we use da. Better no boye den. Enti say ye de bro na se mo use a. Actually, it's can cause we can about chama the pair corner. Enti me stram. Papa. I baba kan ba yan there. I say mo use cause obi ba ha na so obana mo use. I mean for bi embrem bi.
Never use.
What I say? Yeah, so basically this is the list or the letter that I was able to, because I promised them last year that I'll bring them something, and today I'm here to honor my promise. Yeah, so I believe. Yeah, so this is the little token that I'm giving to these ladies over here that produce palm kernel oil. And so, but that mocha chairman sign there. I don't go no what is be woozy. Into one start one to find this bang.
Yaka bre. Nana bre ya wanche. Ya da real stool ya bibia na kid one kasa ya ho nti sisa yin mu wala joni ya ho nti da wa be nti nyame nhira ho papa.
Amen.
Ya jongo na kasa. O ya di bebre. O ye drum ya hunam ya mpa o boy ya hunam. Ina say di ye diba no so na edia. Wan kasa baby enam dia anko bia.
Is Benz na pede. Is Benz head no o him pa de. Ko say wo fu pin no.
Wan kasa no. Is ya doctor simple am ya atas da jongo na ye ndi. Is ya wo doctor simple wo di ajongo ana wo di. Wo ba ha. Wo bota ajongo. Ebi no me friend what for pia.
For that reason in them pede is ben yeah froy. Yeah froy na fi ana yeah froy na say angwa mo. Na de use am. Ma mezibi. Mo ade ma so mezibi. From our ajongo.
So ade ya ho na mo bi mo anu. The big one, a big
okay, yeah, so I'm here with the ladies over here that produce palm kernel oil, and this is the stuff that, or the donation that they are holding, yeah? Arkodo. When you did it? Oh, yeah. Use. Yeah, use my Arkodo. Amen. Amen.